Let's check out the top 3 cordless string trimmer and blower combos. The WORX WG928 GT 3.0. It's a combo kit with a string trimmer and blower, plus 2 20-volt batteries. This convenient package has over 10,000 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.5 out of 5 stars. Solid. The WORX brand also makes several other different packages, including hedge trimmers, quick chargers, and regular chargers, so check those out on the listing as well. Buying it in the bundle saves you time and money. The trimmer and edger is a 2-in-1, so it's almost like having 3 tools in this package. And WORX PowerShare is compatible with all WORX 20-volt and 40-volt tools, so you can do it all with the same battery. With its turbine tech, which is modeled after a jet engine design, the turbine blower churns out 360 CFM at 75 miles per hour for a wide, powerful stream of air. It's compact and lightweight. Somehow the blower is only 4.4 pounds with the battery attached, and the trimmer edger is only 5.3 pounds. Both are light enough for anyone to operate. And finally, you'll always have fresh trimmer string on demand with the command feed system, so this trimmer edger is always cutting at peak efficiency. Now let's check out a helpful review from a verified purchaser called Impressive. My main reason for buying this was that it shares batteries with my lawnmower and it's a pretty good price. I was not expecting this level of performance. Even when I threw it in the middle of some thick wet grass, it didn't even hesitate. Much more powerful than I was expecting. Solid purchase. Well, there you go. It's a great point on these package deals. It's a win-win situation. You get a better value, and the WORX company gets a chance to earn your repeat business. And it seems like a lot of people out there are very loyal to the WORX brand. The Greenworks Pro 80-volt cordless brushless string trimmer and leaf blower combo with a 2 amp hour battery and charger included. Nice. You can also buy these pieces individually, and Greenworks makes a lot of other products as well, so check those out. And this convenient combo has 517 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.4 out of 5 stars. Very nice. It's got a brushless motor for double the torque and provides more power, longer run times, and quiet operation with an extended motor life. The 80-volt brushless axial blower and 16-inch string trimmer combo pack provides ultimate performance at a great value. The string trimmer features a 14 to 16-inch cutting path, bump feed head, adjustable handle, and variable speed trigger for added control. The blower features an axial design with up to 500 CFM, or 125 mile an hour wind speed, and the variable trigger with 3 speed selections, low, medium, and high, and the 80-volt 2 amp hour lithium ion battery with rapid charger. Now let's check out a helpful review from a verified purchaser called Love It. The trimmer is a real treat. Multi-speed, bump feed, lots of power, and can be configured for a 16-inch cutting diameter. While I would have liked the updated blower, this one still gets the job done with plenty of blowing power and an easy design to handle. The blower and trimmer are both on the heavier side, but your arms will get used to it and may end up shaky after the first 2 lawn jobs. Overall, they are both well built, the battery system makes things easy, and I don't miss the gasoline equivalents in the slightest. Well, there you go. Pick up this bundle today, and don't forget that Greenworks makes over 20 products that are compatible with the batteries. It's also available through Amazon Prime, which means free shipping and free delivery and free returns. The BLACK+DECKER 20-volt max string trimmer and edger and sweeper combo kit. You can also get this product with a 2 battery kit and 3 spools, with gloves, a leaf collection bin, safety glasses, and various other great package deals, so check those out on the listing as well. But this particular package comes with 2 20-volt batteries, the trimmer, and the sweeper. The sweeper is ideal for clearing driveways, sidewalks, decks, and garages, and the string trimmer features automatic feed spool, so no bumping required. It's got a lightweight design and low noise levels. And the 20-volt lithium ion batteries have 1.5 amp hours. The string trimmer has a lightweight design of only 4.5 pounds, and the sweeper is only 3.7 pounds. Also, this combo has about 4,700 ratings on Amazon with a 4.3 out of 5 star rating. Now let's check out a helpful review from a verified purchaser. When I read the initial reviews of this set, I wondered if I'd be making a wise purchase. It turned out to be one of the best decisions ever for taking care of our 60 by 60 yard. This equipment is much lighter, which might lead some people to think that it's not well made. Even my husband was dubious when he first took the tools out of the box. His first comment was, "Are these toys?" Some of the reviews suggested a leaf blower is weak. I suppose if you intend to use it as a professional landscaping tool, or if you have a lot of trees that drop mounds of autumn leaves, it may not be a good choice for those uses. However, it's perfect for cleaning up after mowing and trimming. We have a large porch and our driveway is wide behind our house. This blower cleans them quickly and perfectly, not a grass clipping, chunk of dry dirt, or small stone in sight. We have one tree that drops small leaves and the blower is perfectly suited for those. The trimmer is everything a person needs to keep fence lines neat and pretty, and to neatly edge the sidewalk and garage. Here are the two main reasons my husband loves these so much. One, they are much quieter than the previous ones that we had, and the battery life is significantly improved. Even in our small yard, we had 4 batteries that had to be changed to complete the job. Now I can do it very quickly, all with one interchangeable battery. He likes the trimmer so much that he edges the entire sidewalk of the 2 houses to our left and the 2 to our right. The neighbors love him. Overall, we're very, very glad we chose this set. Good price. Does what we need it to, easy to use, quiet by comparison, and what more could a person want? Well, there you have it, folks. You can pick up this set on Amazon Prime for free shipping and free delivery. I think you're gonna love it.